करने के लिए firstly you have to do what are the settings you have to do. I am just showing you. So to install the Jenkins in your system, you have to just go to the Jenkins site and go to this section of the page, and you have to download the Jenkins war file first. So as you can see, after clicking you will see the download the Jenkins file, war file will be downloaded here. Now you have to go to the folder in which it is there, and you just take the path of the folder here, and after that you just have to go. I have completed this process, so you have to just go to that path by entering cd/path download. It is in download, and after that you have to enter this Jenkins var command, which is already provided on this one. So you have to enter this Jenkins var command. So once you will enter this, it will start processing here, and then after processing this, it will generate an admin user and admin password. You have to save this password. Just save this password, or you can also get this password from this location. And after doing this, you have to just click the open the folder, open the localhost colon 8080. You have to just hit enter on this, so it will open this screen. Localhost is your system machine's IP. So just enter after completing the CMD process, all the process here, you have to open browser Google Chrome and hit localhost colon 8080, and you will get this. Now it will ask for the admin password. So admin password is what it has generated in this same window, right? So I am showing you where is the password. It will show that this key type password is generated. So just go and copy this password. So once you copy this and paste this password here and click on continue. So after this, it will ask you install plugin, community, find most useful, select one plugin. So just click on this install suggested plugin. So after selecting that, it will install all the users, and now it will install all the plugins, and after that it will ask for to create a admin user. So just go to this and create any admin user. So I am creating here the admin user. ADMIN admin, and the password is 12345678. 12345678. Full name also admin, and you can give the email address here. @melinator.com. Save and continue. Admin localhost. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. It will ask for this. So it's set here. So you can now create your projects here, and you can run whatever you want. You want to freestyle project, you want to run any geometry script or whatever. Like I want to execute the geometry execution here, so I am just executing the geometry from here. So basically your installation of Jenkins completed. You just have to download the war file, and then you have to set up the enter the command from CMD and execute that jar file you have downloaded. and then after you have to complete all the parameters, or if you want to install any plugin, you can install plugin. Then you have to set any user and it is completed. That's all. Thanks, hope you liked it. Any query, please ask me in comments. Thank you.